Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pressure Roblox Mobile. First, make sure you have the Roblox app downloaded on your device. You can find it in your App Store. Next, open Roblox and use the search function to locate Pressure. Tap on the game icon when it appears, and then simply hit the large play button to jump into the action. It's an easy process to get started. Controlling your character is straightforward. Use your left thumb to move around by dragging it across the left half of the screen. This operates your virtual joystick. For camera control, simply swipe your right thumb across the right side of the screen, letting you look around your environment. Remember to tap any on-screen buttons or interactive elements to perform actions like collecting items or opening doors. You can also fine-tune these controls in the game settings. Your main goal in Pressure is to defend the core generator from relentless enemy waves. Keep a close eye on your health bar, which you will find clearly displayed in the upper left corner of your screen. The wave counter and timer, usually at the top center, will tell you exactly when the next attack is coming, helping you plan your defense. Collect all power-ups you see. These are crucial for upgrading your weapons and fortifying your position. To succeed, always prioritize upgrading your main weapon and reinforcing defenses during quieter moments. Teamwork is incredibly important. Try to coordinate with other players to cover different areas of the map, preventing enemies from reaching your generator. Staying mobile is key to avoiding incoming damage and finding better positions to attack from. Also, use the environment to your advantage, creating bottlenecks that force enemies into predictable attack paths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.